If your Windows Computer Store app isn't properly downloading your apps, you have a few different solutions at your disposal. From changing your computer's date and time settings, to resetting your store's cache. Part 1. Changing your computer's date and time settings. Open your computer's search bar. For Windows 10, simply click the Start menu search bar. For Windows 8, hold down Windows key, and tap W. Type date and time into the search bar. Click the Date and Time option. This should be at the top of the search menu. For Windows 8, click Change the date and time below the search field. Click Change the date and time. You can find this option in the Date and Time menu. Remember that you must be an administrator to change these settings. Adjust your date and time settings. These should reflect the current date and time, as they pertain to your time zone. You can also click Change Time Zone to alter your time zone settings. Click OK. Your date and time should now be up to date. Open your computer's search bar again. Type Store into the search bar. Click the Store icon when it appears. Click the downward-facing arrow to the left of the search bar. Review your downloads. If the date and time settings were the problem, your downloads should now be active. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel.